Come test drive this 2018 Dodge Charger. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.